Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Homelodge Newnan. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Boasting free Wi-Fi, this pet-friendly Newnan, Georgia hotel is located off Interstate 85. It offers a laundry facilities. A flat-screen TV with cable channels and clock radio are equipped in all rooms at Homelodge Newnan. A refrigerator, microwave and desk are also included. Free parking is available to guests for added convenience. Guests can make use of the fax and copy machine available at the property. The Newnan Homelodge is within a 45-minute drive of Atlanta City Center and Franklin D. Roosevelt State Park. Shopping at the Forum at Ashley Park is just 6.2 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.